Big day today. We're gonna be washing this big building. This is a building that's being beaten up by the algae mold mildew, which happens normally all the time in Sydney because of the subtropical weather that we have. That constant cycle of rain, heat creates the perfect conditions for the growth of algae mold mildew. So I'll give you a bit of a walk through the building and what we're gonna be doing. But just from where you are, you can see that this is a 3-story building at the front. Right, so we got 3 stories, lots of big heavy stains of algae mold mildew. There's a massive black stain up there, and then lots of green algae, and even on the bottom areas you can see there's some more red algae, which is actually really stubborn and hard to remove.